In this video, we're going to show the proper way how to use the element lift tool when raising your elements. Lifting upwards with the tool, being careful not to put too much pressure, and then lowering down on top of the countertop. To lower the elements, we want to lift up slightly with the tool from the countertop and then lower it back down into the fry pot. The incorrect way to raise the elements would be by just using the heat-resistant gloves and lifting up and pressing on this while cleaning the inside of the fryer. The reason we don't want to do this is by pressing up during that time, we can actually bend our elements right here and the wires inside of them. This can lead to service calls resulting in element replacement